Are you tired of struggling with messy, inefficient grease guns that just don't get the job done? Have you ever wondered if there's a tool out there that can make lubrication tasks faster, cleaner, and more effective? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of grease guns to help you find the best one for your needs. We've tested and ranked 7 of the top grease guns on the market, from good to absolutely outstanding. Stick around to find out which one takes the crown as the ultimate grease gun. 7. Bravex Heavy-Duty Professional Pistol Grip Grease Gun. The Bravex Heavy-Duty Professional Pistol Grip Grease Gun is a solid entry-level tool for basic greasing tasks. With a maximum pressure of 6,000 psi, it's capable of injecting grease into tight and hard-to-reach spaces, making it suitable for light to moderate maintenance jobs. The cold-drawn steel canister ensures durability, while the non-slip rubber grip on the barrel adds comfort and control, even in slippery conditions. Additionally, the 18-inch reinforced flex hose provides decent flexibility for reaching less accessible fittings. One feature we appreciated during testing was the air bleeder valve, which quickly eliminates air pockets and ensures smooth operation. The high-pressure piston design prevents grease from leaking at the pump head, which is a common issue with many grease guns in this price range. The package also includes a sharp-type nozzle and a metal extension tube, adding some versatility to its use. However, the Bravex grease gun does have its limitations. One significant drawback is the difficulty in removing the nozzle from Zerk fittings due to residual pressure in the hose. This issue can be mitigated by loosening the hose slightly to release pressure, but it's an extra step that disrupts workflow. Additionally, while the tool is built for durability, it doesn't feel as robust as some of its competitors when handling heavy-duty applications. For users who need a grease gun for occasional or lighter tasks, this model gets the job done, but it may not be ideal for more demanding environments. 6. LUMAX LX1152 Deluxe Pistol Grip Grease Gun. The LUMAX LX1152 Deluxe Pistol Grip Grease Gun steps up in terms of build quality and performance compared to entry-level models. With a maximum pressure of 7,000 psi and a heavy-duty cast alloy head, LUCast, this tool is designed to handle tougher jobs. The 18-inch flex hose is a welcome addition, providing better reach for hard-to-access fittings. Its chrome-plated finish on the handle offers excellent protection against corrosion, ensuring longevity even in challenging environments. One standout feature of this grease gun is its 3-way loading system, which allows users to load grease via cartridge, suction, or bulk fill, making it versatile for different preferences and scenarios. The air bleeder valve is another handy inclusion that helps release trapped air quickly during priming. Additionally, the Deluxe oil-resistant grip ensures comfort and control during prolonged use. That said, there are a few areas where the LX1152 falls short. While testing this model, we found that its heavier build could lead to fatigue during extended use, especially when working overhead or in tight spaces. Another minor drawback is its lack of advanced features like locking couplers or variable speed control seen in higher-end models. These omissions don't necessarily detract from its core functionality, but do make it feel less modern compared to newer designs. Overall, the LUMAX LX1152 is a reliable and durable grease gun that performs well under most conditions. It's particularly suited for professionals in automotive or construction industries who need a sturdy tool but don't require all the bells and whistles of premium models. 5. LockNLube Heavy-Duty Pistol Grip Grease Gun. The LockNLube Heavy-Duty Pistol Grip Grease Gun earns its spot at number 5 with innovative features that solve common frustrations associated with traditional grease guns. Rated at 5,000 psi maximum pressure, it's powerful enough for most lubrication tasks while maintaining user-friendly functionality. The patented LockNLube coupler is perhaps its most impressive feature. It securely locks onto fittings without leaking and can be released easily with a thumb lever. During testing, we found that this coupler greatly reduced mess and made greasing quicker and more efficient by freeing up one hand during operation. The included 20-inch heavy-duty hose, the longest among competitors, adds significant flexibility when working with hard-to-reach fittings. Additionally, The inline hose swivel allows users to rotate the hose without spinning the entire grease gun, a small but practical detail that enhances usability. While this grease gun excels in leak prevention and ease of use, its pressure rating of 5,000 psi may not be sufficient for extremely stubborn fittings or heavy industrial applications. Another minor limitation is its slightly higher flow rate per stroke compared to other models. While this speeds up greasing tasks overall, it may result in less precise control when dealing with delicate components. What truly sets the LockNLube apart is its thoughtful design elements like loop and lock storage technology, which secures the coupler when not in use to prevent leaks and messes during transport or storage. Combined with a 1-year warranty and excellent customer reviews praising its reliability and performance, this grease gun delivers exceptional value for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a clean and efficient solution to lubrication tasks. 4. Lincoln 1162 Pneumatic Grease Gun. The Lincoln 1162 Pneumatic Grease Gun is a versatile and efficient tool designed for professionals who prioritize speed and precision in their lubrication tasks. With a maximum pressure of 6,000 psi, this grease gun is capable of handling a wide range of applications, from automotive maintenance to heavy machinery lubrication. Its standout feature is the variable speed trigger, which allows users to control the grease flow rate with exceptional precision. This makes it ideal for delicate components or high-volume applications where over-lubrication could cause damage. During testing, we found the continuous flow operation to be a significant time saver compared to manual grease guns. The tool operates on shop air ranging from 40 psi to 150 psi, providing flexibility for different setups. The 30-inch high-pressure hose with a coupler and attachment clip is another highlight, offering excellent reach and accessibility for hard-to-reach fittings. Its compact design and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use over extended periods. However, the Lincoln 1162 does have some limitations. It requires a constant air supply, which means it's less portable than cordless models. Additionally, while its performance is consistent, the lack of advanced features like LED lighting or battery-powered convenience might deter users who work in low-light conditions or remote locations without access to compressed air. Overall, the Lincoln 1162 is an excellent choice for workshops and garages where an air supply is readily available. Its reliable performance and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any professional's toolkit. 3. Dewalt 20-Volt Max Grease Gun. The Dewalt 20-Volt Max Grease Gun takes cordless convenience to the next level with its powerful motor capable of delivering up to 10,000 psi of pressure. This high-performance tool is perfect for tackling stubborn fittings and ensuring thorough lubrication in demanding applications. One of its standout features is the variable speed trigger, which provides precise control over grease flow, minimizing waste and preventing over-lubrication. In our hands-on testing, this grease gun excelled in both light and heavy-duty tasks. The 42-inch flexible hose was particularly useful for reaching tight spaces, while the built-in LED light illuminated dark work areas, a feature that proved invaluable in poorly lit garages and construction sites. The high-capacity lithium-ion battery ensured long-lasting performance, allowing us to complete multiple jobs without needing a recharge. While the Dewalt Grease Gun impressed us with its power and versatility, it does have a few minor drawbacks. The lack of a speed dial or grease meter means users need to pay close attention during operation to avoid overfilling bearings or blowing seals, especially when working with inexperienced operators. Additionally, its premium price point may be a barrier for casual users or those on a tight budget. Despite these minor concerns, the Dewalt 20-Volt Max Grease Gun is an outstanding tool for professionals who demand reliability and precision. Its cordless design and robust build make it a top choice for those looking to streamline their lubrication tasks. 2. Milwaukee M18 Grease Gun. The Milwaukee M18 Grease Gun is a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to deliver exceptional performance across various applications. With an industry-leading maximum pressure of 10,000 psi and dual-speed settings, for maximum pressure or maximum flow, this tool offers unmatched versatility for professionals in automotive, construction, and industrial sectors. During testing, we were particularly impressed by its 48-inch flexible hose, the longest on this list, which provided unparalleled reach for hard-to-access fittings. The built-in LED light was another highlight, making it easy to work in dimly lit environments without needing additional lighting equipment. The plunger rod with markings allowed us to monitor how much grease remained in the barrel, a thoughtful feature that adds convenience during extended use. One area where the Milwaukee M18 truly shines is battery life. Powered by the M18 Red lithium battery system, this grease gun delivered consistent performance even after hours of use in freezing temperatures, a testament to its durability and efficiency. However, its slightly heavier build might cause fatigue during prolonged tasks, especially when working overhead or in tight spaces. Overall, the Milwaukee M18 Grease Gun is an exceptional tool that balances power, precision, and convenience. Its advanced features and robust construction make it an excellent investment for professionals who need reliable performance in demanding environments. Number 1. Makita XPG01Z Cordless Grease Gun. Claiming the top spot on our list is the Makita XPG01Z Cordless Grease Gun, a tool that combines power, versatility, and innovation into one impressive package. With a maximum pressure of 10,000 psi and 2 speed modes, low and auto speed, this grease gun adapts seamlessly to various lubrication tasks. Whether you're working on delicate components or tackling heavy-duty machinery maintenance, this tool delivers consistent results with ease. The Makita XPG01Z features a variable speed trigger that allows precise control over grease flow rates, while its auto speed mode adjusts output automatically based on resistance, making it incredibly efficient during large-scale applications. The 47-inch flexible hose provides excellent reach for hard-to-access fittings, while built-in LED lights ensure visibility in low-light conditions, a feature we found particularly useful during testing. What sets this grease gun apart from competitors is its ergonomic design and thoughtful features like an air bleed valve for quick priming after cartridge changes, and a lock-on button for extended use without hand fatigue. The tool's compatibility with Makita's extensive line of 18-volt LXT batteries ensures minimal downtime between jobs thanks to fast charging times. While there's little to criticize about the Makita XPG01Z, it does come at a premium price point, though we believe its performance justifies the cost. Additionally, at 11.3 pounds with the battery attached, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but remains manageable thanks to its shoulder strap and balanced design. Final thought, and there you have it, our top 7 picks for the best grease guns on the market. From budget-friendly options like the Bravex to high-performance tools like the Makita XPG01Z, there's something here for everyone, depending on your needs and budget. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more reviews on tools that make your life easier.